Hi, it's Richard Smith here from Amazing ICT, and I'm going to be talking today about why bother to use the program Scratch. In the background you can see some felt pictures, and this was a thing that I used to use when I was a boy, and it really helped me to be creative because I could move the figures around and I could encourage them to interact by making little sounds and hiding one behind the other. So nowadays we've got this program called Scratch. So let's think about what we can do and how it can actually enhance the idea of pictures made out of felt. So what you've got is you can add backgrounds down the bottom right, and you can add characters. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at the characters, and it's the second one from the bottom on the right. And I'm going to click on it twice. It's a cat picture, and I can see all the characters. So I'm just going to choose something from the top row. I'm going to choose an apple, and the apple appears on the screen and I can move it around. So I'm going to put it on a tree. Think about what you noticed about that apple. You might think it's too big, so under size I can reduce it. So you can do a little bit of maths here. So I'm going to make it half size, so 50%. And then, if you want to, you can duplicate it by resting your finger on the apple. I'm doing it on a tablet. If you do it on a computer, you right click the mouse. So I'm going to duplicate it. So you get two apples, and I can put the two apples where I want them to go. Now I can make one of these apples move, so I can introduce some sort of movement. So what I'm going to do is look on the left hand side and start to look at the coding. So I'm going to say under events, the third one down, when the sprite is clicked, so these characters are called sprites. So when Apple 2 is clicked, I'm going to make it move. So I'm going to make it glide. Now I want it to fall to the ground. So I'm going to get it to glide to that position. So I only need 2 lines of code. So when I click on this, it will actually move to the ground. So that's why I love Scratch. You can add characters and you can make them move, and you can also make them interact with each other. So you could say if one apple rolled into the other, something would happen, like it would disappear. Thanks for watching.